everyone, I'm Hilda from Ningbo EXW. Today, I'm excited to share a new chapter of our journey toward green development. For us, growth is never just about speed or scale. It's about taking real responsibility for the environment and for the future we all share. Every step we take is driven by the goal of making our operations greener, cleaner, and more aligned with a low-carbon path forward. In recent years, Ningbo EXW has been committed to green development. We keep improving in energy saving, emission reduction, and low-carbon manufacturing, and we're seeing real results. In 2023, we received the Green Factory certification. It's more than an honor. It's our commitment to moving toward a low-carbon, sustainable future. In our daily production, we are gradually reducing energy consumption and increasing efficiency through energy management systems and process optimization. As of 2024, we have reduced our electricity consumption by 10.51%. Carbon emissions per 10,000 yuan of output have also decreased by 14%. Over the past 2 years, we've recycled and properly treated 121 tons of waste, effectively reducing its impact on the environment. It's also worth highlighting the energy improvements in our injection workshop. By optimizing the cooling system, we save about 36,000 kWh of electricity a year, with the injection machine heating upgrade adding another 15,140 kWh annually. With a redesigned barrel structure, we save an additional 9,504 kWh per year. And by replacing our shredders with high-efficiency models, the workshop reduces another 15,360 kWh each year. Speaking of green energy, we have to mention our solar photovoltaic system. Since 2022, we've been generating clean electricity through our rooftop PV installation. So far, our system has generated 1.3 million kWh of electricity and saved 520 tons of standard coal, equal to planting 843 trees. Solar power now accounts for 22.51% of our total electricity use, meaning that more than 1/5 of our energy comes directly from sunlight. This is a clear example of green manufacturing in action. Beyond our production process, we've also made continuous efforts on the product side. Our easy patch cords, flexible patch cords, rotatable patch cords, SPE connectors, and more are all part of our low-carbon product lineup. These low-carbon products achieve a carbon footprint reduction of more than 35%. In 2024, they accounted for 21.8% of our total patch cord sales. What we hope to deliver to our customers is not only a high-quality product, but also a piece of green value from Ningbo EXW. In resource management, we've also made comprehensive improvements in water, electricity, and waste control. In 2024, our indirect recycled cooling water utilization rate reached 98.6%, earning us the title of a water-saving enterprise. We strictly follow waste sorting and recycling practices, and we invite third-party agencies every year to test our air emissions and wastewater to ensure full compliance. Our goal is to make every resource count. Green is our attitude, and low carbon is our direction. Ningbo EXW will continue to move forward with real action and responsibility to create a greener, lower carbon future. That's all for this video. See you next time.